Do you need to access a food bank? Well, come with me as I tell you a little bit more about the processes. Almost 3 million food parcels were given out by the Trussell Trust charity last year, which is a new record. It shows there's an increase in people needing to access a food bank, so you're not alone if you need to access one. And it's not surprising, especially amidst the cost of living crisis, job instability, and the state of the economy. But if you aren't sure how to access a food bank for the first time, keep watching.
My name's Ruth Leverett. I'm the project manager for Chelmsford Food Bank. I've been part of the Chelmsford Food Bank since we opened nearly 11 years. So we do our best to make it as easy as possible for people to come. We do have a referral system though, where people do need to get a voucher. But the best place that I would advise people to go to is Citizens Advice. And there's a phone line that they can call to get a voucher. It's literally an electronic voucher or code that people get. So that makes it a lot easier. There are other agencies as well that hold them. In fact, we've got kind of 90 odd agencies in Chelmsford that do hold our vouchers. But Citizens Advice is a good one if you're not already in touch with an agency.
The professionals will be able to help you with a referral and a food voucher to use for a food bank.
Once you've got your code, we meet you at the door and then you get an opportunity to just sit and have a chat. They'll ask open questions along the lines of how you're doing, is there anything else that we can help you with? They'll do lots of signposting, identifying any agencies that might help them. No one wants to use a food bank at the end of the day. No one wants to find themselves having to come through our doors. And we really recognise that and we do our best to make it as easy as possible. We're really welcoming, we're really friendly. We really value each person that comes through the door. I think there is, unfortunately, still that shame and stigma, but we're doing as much as we can to kind of combat that. People that are needing it from a wide range of backgrounds is helping, I think, to break that down a little bit. But we do still see people who are genuinely distraught to even have to walk through the door.
Let's highlight the food bank reliance of the UK. Between April 2022 and March 2023, there has been a 37% increase in people accessing food banks, and 760,000 of those were first-time users. And over 1 million parcels were given out were actually for children.
Our figures here in Chelmsford reflect certainly a rise, a big rise, 70% almost.
But we should emphasize that food banks are a temporary solution.
Yeah, it's a difficult time at the moment. It will cover their essentials.
So if you were unsure on how to access a food bank, I hope this sheds light on that process.